Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you have tennis shoes and you play sports that are on, let's just say a basketball court, and sometimes your feet are sliding because every court's a little bit different, this video is for you. So this is a quick overview of this product called Grip Spritz. And what this product does is when you spray it on the bottom of your shoes like this, and once you spray this on your shoes, what it's gonna do is allow your shoes to get more of a grip on the court. And so instead of running and sliding and your feet just don't have a grip because the surface of the court may be a little bit on the let's say glossy side, especially if it's a new court, this will just allow, it's not sticky, so it's not like a sticky residue, but it prevents like going like this, it's not slippery through your fingers, it just provides some grip. And it dries very quickly. As you can see, it's pretty much already dry. But a couple walking, or running on the court, and all of a sudden, the foot just has a little bit more traction. This is an absolute game changer when it comes to playing on the court, especially if you're traveling and you're playing on a court you're not familiar with. It's good to have in your sports bag or whatever it is. And you're like, man, what the heck, man? This court is slippery. Pull this out. It's over. It's a wrap. It's a game changer. You might be the only player on the court that's not sliding around if you have this. Very cool. Very easy to use. Hope this helps. And we'll talk to you soon.